prep your gear. Have no fear. Auto expert Barry Wilson is here.
From Wilson Auto Repair in Garland, joining us this morning. A lot of people, when they go to the gas station, they fill up, and first thing they do is remove the gas cap, and they hear this sort of sucking sound. What's
right,
that all
they
about?
hear a whooshing noise at the gas, and then I get that question, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that the evaporative emission system isn't working properly, and what this black canister is a container of charcoal granules that absorbs gasoline vapor. So the way that it works, and a lot of people don't even know they have this on their car, but the way this works is that when you shut your car off and the gasoline vapors expand in your tank and you get a lot of extra air pressure, a valve opens and this canister, then the charcoal absorbs all those extra fumes. And then after you start your automobile, it's recirculated back into the car and burned as part of the gasoline. So when you remove that gas cap and you hear a noise in there, then that means that this is probably not working properly, that the valves are messed up or that this thing's not connected anymore. And it's stopped up between the gas tank and this canister.
So how difficult is it to replace this?
It's pretty easy to replace, and the only way you can tell if it's bad is this is very light. Once it gets real heavy, then you know that it needs to be replaced. It's usually under the hood of your automobile. It's not back towards the gas tank, and it's very easy to replace. Now, one thing I pointed out to you, and the reason I brought this up, is that raw gasoline is hard on the atmosphere, it's hard on our air. If you don't have a good gas cap, which is part of the state inspection procedure, it has to be tested and it has to pass. If this isn't working, then you're emitting fumes into the atmosphere, and that contributes to a bad ozone, and then of course we all have trouble breathing. So this is something that most people don't even know they have on their car, but it's there, and it's something that needs to be functioning properly.
Okay. Also, with the summer on us, is there a certain time of day to fill up your gas tank?
I don't really know. I don't think there's a whole lot of difference because all the pumps now are set where they absorb the fumes. That's what that does, is absorb those fumes so they don't get out into the atmosphere.
Okay. Barry Wilson of Wilson Auto